Let's review calculating the equation of the altitude of a triangle. Example, what is the equation of the altitude AF for the following triangle? Again, this triangle is not drawn to scale, however the vertices are correct and they will work for our purposes. The basic process of calculating altitude is to first find the slope of this base, take its negative reciprocal to give us a perpendicular slope, and then find the equation of the line that runs from the base up to the top point there, A, at a 90-degree angle. So all we're concerned with in the end is the slope of this line and this point to get the equation of this line AF. Let's start by calculating the slope of the base, the slope BC. My slope BC is negative 1 over 7. The perpendicular slope here is going to be the negative reciprocal of this. So I'm going to flip this fraction and multiply it by negative 1. So the slope AF is going to be 7 over 1. This is the negative reciprocal of this. I flipped 1 over 7, gives me 7 over 1. I had a negative sign here, so if I multiply this guy by negative 1, I get plus 7 over 1. I will now use this slope with this point to get the standard equation of the altitude. I will have y minus 3 over x minus 10 equals 7 over 1. I'll cross multiply. So I've got y minus 3 equals 7x minus 70. I'll now move everything over to the left-hand side. So I now have an equation, negative 7x plus y plus 67 equals 0. However, we know that we can't have a negative sign in front of the a value, so I'm going to multiply every term by negative 1. This is the equation of the altitude AF. The slope of this equation is negative a over b, which is negative 7 over negative 1, or plus 7. This definitely looks like a slope of plus 7, going from A down to the base. We do not know this point here, but it doesn't matter. If we're just looking for the equation, all we need is the point and the slope of this line. Thank you for visiting this lesson.